Not every company continues forever. Sometimes a company stops operations, has no business activity, or the founders decide to close it legally. If your company is inactive, you cannot simply leave it like that. You need to close it properly through a legal process called company strike-off. What is company strike-off? Company strike-off means removing the name of a company from the records of the Registrar of Companies, ROC. In simple words, it is a legal way to close an inactive company. Once the company is struck off, it no longer remains an active legal entity. This process is usually used when the company is not carrying on any business or operation. When can a company apply for strike-off? A company may apply for strike-off when it has not started business after incorporation, it has stopped business operations, it has no major assets or liabilities. Directors and shareholders agree to close the company. Pending compliances are completed before applying. This helps the company avoid unnecessary annual filings, penalties, and future compliance burden. Why proper closure is important? Many business owners think that if the company is not working, they can simply ignore it. But that is a risky mistake. Even an inactive company may still have ROC filing requirements. If annual filings are not done, penalties can increase and directors may face compliance issues in the future. That is why closing the company legally is always better than leaving it inactive. Many business owners take support from Ebizfiling to understand pending compliances, required documents, and the correct ROC process before applying for strike-off. Basic process of company strike-off. The process generally includes clearing pending compliances, closing bank accounts, settling liabilities, preparing board and shareholder approvals, filing the required strike-off application with ROC, submitting necessary documents and declarations. The ROC reviews the application and if everything is correct, removes the company name from its register. Documents required. Common documents may include board resolution, shareholder consent, statement of accounts, indemnity bond, affidavit from directors, application form for strike-off proof of closure of bank account. If applicable, documents may vary depending on the company's status and ROC requirements. Company strike-off may sound simple, but mistakes in documentation or pending filings can delay the process. Incorrect forms, incomplete approvals, or missed compliances can create problems with the ROC. With proper guidance from platforms like Ebizfiling, businesses can complete the closure process in a more organized and legally compliant way. Strike-off is not just about closing a company, it is about closing it in the right legal way. If your company is inactive and you do not plan to continue it, applying for strike-off can help you avoid unnecessary compliance costs, penalties, and legal complications. Do not leave your inactive company unattended. Close it properly, stay compliant, and move forward with confidence.